Jasmy is revolutionizing the way in which we can protect our data. For context, every time you browse the web, use your smartphone, or even drive your car, you're generating data. Tons of it. But where does all this data go? Who controls it? And most importantly, who profits from it? It's no secret that our personal information has become a valuable commodity, often exploited by centralized platforms and big corporations. But what if you could decide who has access to your information and how it's used? That's where Jasmy comes in. Jasmy's on a mission to revolutionize the way we think about data privacy and management by combining the power of blockchain technology with the Internet of Things, or IoT. If you want to keep your data private and have control over who sees it, then you don't want to miss this video. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is Jasmy? In a nutshell, Jasmy is a project that aims to combine the power of IoT and blockchain technology to give you complete control over your personal data. It was created in 2021 by a group of former Sony executives from Japan, including Kunitake Ando, the former president and COO of Sony Corporation, and Kazumasa Sato, the former CEO of Sony Style Japan Incorporated. This pedigree already gives the project a lot of credibility. One important question that comes to mind when talking about Jasmy is, why should you care about data democratization? As we mentioned earlier, our personal information is constantly being collected, analyzed, and used by centralized platforms like Google and Amazon. While these companies offer convenient services, they also have an enormous amount of power over our data. Jasmy wants to change that by putting you in the driver's seat when it comes to your personal information. So how exactly does Jasmy achieve this? At its core, the platform operates on two key principles. First, it secures your individual data from various sources like IDs, application logs, and IoT devices. This means that your sensitive information is kept safe and secure within the Jasmy ecosystem. Next, it allows companies to use your data, but only with your explicit authorization. This gives you the power to decide who can access your information and how it's used. To achieve this, Jasmy leverages a combination of blockchain and IoT technologies. The platform uses a decentralized data management system that ensures your information is stored securely and transparently. One of the key components of this system is the Personal Data Locker, or PDL. Think of PDL as a digital safe where you can store your personal data. With the PDL, you have complete control over who can access your information and under what terms. This means you can choose to share your data with companies you trust while keeping it hidden from those you don't. Another essential piece of the Jasmy puzzle is the Secure Knowledge Communicator, or SKC. This tool enables encrypted data sharing between devices and platforms, ensuring that your information remains secure during transactions. To activate your SKC, you'll need to verify your identity, adding an extra layer of security to the network. This helps prevent unauthorized access to your data and keeps your information safe from prying eyes. Jasmy also makes use of the Interplanetary File System, or IPFS for decentralized data storage. By distributing your data across a network of nodes, IPFS reduces the risks associated with centralized storage solutions. This means that even if one node goes down, your data remains accessible and secure. Plus, the Smart Guardian service allows for secure registration of IoT devices within the network, protecting them from unauthorized access. But what really sets Jasmy apart from other projects in the space is its comprehensive IoT platform. The platform offers a wide range of services, including strategy support, secure data analysis, and developer community engagement. This means that whether you're a business looking to implement IoT solutions or a developer seeking to build your own IoT projects, Jasmy has you covered. But here's where things get really interesting. Jasmy has a reward system that actually incentivizes you to share your data with companies. By clearly defining the scope and purpose of data usage, companies can offer rewards in exchange for your information. This not only gives you a tangible benefit for sharing your data, but also helps you recognize its value. In a world where personal data is often referred to as the new oil, Jasmy is helping you get your fair share of the profits. Now let's talk about the lifeblood of the Jasmy ecosystem. As the native cryptocurrency of the platform, the Jasmy token plays a vital role in powering transactions and incentivizing participation. You can use Jasmy to approve transactions, pay service fees, and earn rewards for sharing your IoT data. The Jasmy token has a total supply of 50 billion tokens. Here's how it's distributed. The Jasmy Ecosystem Fund gets 48% of the supply. Early investors in the project get 27%. Contributors, such as team members, get 20%. And then the last 5% goes to a bunch of incentive programs on the project. If you're interested in getting your hands on some Jasmy tokens, you'll be happy to know that they're available on a number of popular exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. However, it's worth noting that Jasmy is currently in Binance's monitoring zone, which means it's under close observation for potential delisting if it fails to meet certain criteria. Strategic partnerships are crucial for any blockchain project, and Jasmy is no exception. Jasmy has been turning heads with some exciting partnerships and potential collaborations. One of their key partnerships is with Sony. Considering that Jasmy was founded by former Sony executives, this partnership makes a lot of sense. Apart from that, one of the most talked about developments was Jasmy's indirect partnership with Apple. Jasmy is already integrated into Japan's ID system, specifically through the My Number Card system. Speculation about the partnership arose from the announcement that Apple plans to integrate Japan's My Number Card system into iPhones, which would indirectly involve Jasmy's technology. There are also discussions about Jasmy's potential partnerships with major tech giants like Microsoft and Amazon, which could significantly impact its market value. Another noteworthy partnership is with Panasonic, which focuses on merging decentralized databases with IoT devices. By combining Jasmy's personal data locker technology with Panasonic's expertise in IoT, the two companies aim to create a groundbreaking platform for data management and utilization. This collaboration could have far-reaching implications for industries, ranging from healthcare to logistics, enabling more efficient and secure data sharing and analysis. Also, at the time of this video, Jasmy is rumored to have a partnership coming up with NVIDIA. If this partnership comes to fruition, it could be a game changer for the Jasmy project, given NVIDIA's prominent position in the AI and tech industry and its vast expertise in developing cutting-edge technologies. Looking ahead, Jasmy recently released an ambitious roadmap for 2024. The team is focusing on three key areas: data valuation, tokenomics, and the development of the Jasmy Carbon Credit Exchange. In terms of data valuation, Jasmy is collaborating with IoT device companies and expanding AI capabilities to increase the type and volume of data that can be identified as My Data. This means that users will have even more control over their personal information and be able to derive greater value from it. On the tokenomics front, Jasmy is implementing a wallet system that allows for seamless transfers of tokens and points among users. The platform also plans to introduce lockup features, with 100 million Jasmy already stored within an exchange for ecosystem financing. This will help ensure the stability and security of the Jasmy token, while also providing resources for the continued development of the platform. Perhaps one of the most exciting developments on the horizon is the Jasmy Carbon Credit Exchange. This marketplace aims to utilize NFT functionality to create a decentralized platform for trading carbon credits. By linking credits to products and individual users, Jasmy believes it can raise environmental awareness and contribute to data value. This is a prime example of how blockchain technology can be leveraged for social good, creating new opportunities for sustainability and responsible consumption. So, what does all this mean for you? If you're someone who values privacy and wants more control over your personal data, Jasmy is definitely worth keeping an eye on. By participating in the Jasmy ecosystem, you can secure your information and also potentially earn rewards for sharing it with trusted companies. With its strong team, innovative technology, and exciting partnerships, we believe Jasmy is one project to keep an eye on. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.